Now, how can we send a post request? There are different ways. A pretty convenient and easy one is to use Postman, which is a tool that allows you to send requests, HTTP requests, to APIs. You can download Postman from this website. I already got it installed, so I'll just start it. So here I started it. By the way, you don't need to sign in. At the very bottom, there's this small, almost invisible text which allows you to skip sign in. And then in here in this interface, you can create new requests, and here we can send a post request to a URL, which is of course localhost 3000/products, right? Because our server is running on localhost 3000, we're filtering for /products. And we don't need to set anything else here, no special headers, but of course a body. Now our body will actually be raw, and then here in the drop down you can choose JSON. Now JSON is written by adding curly braces, and then your keys are between double quotes and your values are as well, at least if they are text. Numbers are not between double quotes.